I am Bangladeshi. So am I. I live in Dhaka. So do I. I love chocolate. So do I. I ate chocolate. So did I. I can swim. So can I. I would like to draw a picture. So would I. I was sick. So was I. I work hard. So do I. I will be there. So will I. I have had my meal. So have I. I will go shopping. So will I. I cooked yesterday. So did I. I can bake a cake. So can I. I will teach my brother. So will I. I am not Indian. Neither am I. I don't live in Rajshahi. Neither do I. I don't love chocolate. Neither do I. I didn't eat chocolate. Neither did I. I never drink tea. Neither do I. I can't cook. Neither can I. I was not sick. Neither was I. I won't be there. Neither will I. I haven't got any money. Neither have I. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.